Hello everybody, so I'm going to be doing a Valentine's look using my Beauty Killer palette, and let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to be using this, what color is this? Color Workshop eyeshadow primer. It has more of a cream color to it instead of the Urban Decay. I've played around with this a little bit recently, and it shows color way better than my original Urban Decay primer potion. So let's go ahead and put this all over the lid and up to my brow bone. Now this eyeshadow primer came in a Christmas gift set from Walmart. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be doing one eye on camera, and then I'll do the other one off camera. So to start out with, I'm taking a packer brush, and I'm going to take China White, which is this one right here. And apply that under my brow. Now I'm doing things like probably out of order to some, but this is just how I'm doing it. Now with the same brush, I'm going to take Princess, which is this really nice kind of baby lavender color, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I just grabbed a clean packer brush. It's a little stained. But I'm going to take Star Power, which is that bright pink, and apply to the outer corner. See, it shows up way more with this primer than with my Urban Decay. I'm just going to pack that on there, because I really want a nice vibrant pink. Now I'm going to take this brush, which it says All Over Eye Blender on it. This is by CAO, I'm guessing. And I'm going to take Courtney, which is this nude color up here, and apply that in my crease and up a little bit further. And then blend that out a little bit. I'm going to take this brush, which it's pointed. It says lip on it. It's a lip brush, but I don't use it for my lips. I use it for precision work on my eyes. So with this brush, I'm going to go in with Vanity, which is a really nice deep brown right there. Just get it just on the very top. And I'm going to deepen that crease. tilt my head back and really get where that is supposed to go. And then same brush from my corner right here. I'm going to drag that towards up like that, so I'm kind of creating a wing with it. Like that. I'm going to drag it under my lower lash line, about halfway. Like that. And I just want to pull that up just a little bit more. I'm going to go back in with Courtney and pull that up a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my brows, which I'm going to use this Pro palette by Maybelline, number 260 Deep Brown. And I'm going to fill in my brows. Because my hair is, I have hair on the outside right here, it's just super freaking pale. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those in. I'm just using the brush that comes with this set. That looks good. And eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Obviously, because like this is my natural shape and this is the natural shape on this eye, so it's not the same. Wish they were a little more closer to the same shape, but they're not. those are the brows. So I have switched to a smaller mirror, and I'm now going to use this sample of the tattoo liner in Trooper Black by Kat Von D and just do a wing. Get as close to my lash line as possible. My eyes twitching, that's always fun. Am I happy with that wing? No. Fix that just a little bit. There we go. Still not happy. There we go. That's a little better. I'm going to take a baby wipe and clean up the bottom a little bit because it's not how I'm wanting it. Clean up that lower bit of eyeshadow too. That is much better. So I'm going to do the same to the other eye. That's the liquid liner done. Now I'm going in with Monsieur Big Mascara. Again, this was a sample. This one's from Ulta for my birthday. I'm going to close my eye because my eyelashes are actually fairly pale. And I want to get those covered on the top. Like that. And do the same to the other eye. And I got a little bit on my skin over here. So for lips, I'm going to be using Party in the Buff by e.l.f. It is a nude color. Let me grab my compact. kind of like a coral nude. Kind of smells like vanilla too. And then I'm going to go in with Peachsicle, which is by Too Faced Sweet Peach. It's a nude lip gloss. With an interesting doe foot, in my opinion, but and there you have it. That is my Valentine's Day look. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a good day, evening, whatever time it is where you're at. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified of any new videos that I post. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram as well, C Sprite Makeup. I will link both of those down below. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.